Today we're going to install a vanity and a mirror. First thing we're going to do is take the personal items and move them, shut off the water, and unhook all the plumbing, remove the sink, and then I'm going to place the vanity in, figure out where I need to cut the wainscoting, cut that, then we'll drill holes in the vanity, slide it in place, connect the plumbing, and step by step. Once that's all done, we'll install the mirror. With the pedestal sink, there's usually toggle bolts, 2 of them, so they're removed. I'm just gonna cut along here to allow me to pull this away easy. And then it lifts up off of a mounting bracket, then we throw this away. Okay, so I've got the sink and the pedestal out. The pedestal was actually bolted to the ground. The sink had these toggle bolts in the wall. They just fell in the wall. That's normal. The height of the entire unit comes up to about right here. So I'm not gonna have to cut any of the wainscoting. I may do some base just to get it in tight. I may cut the cabinet around the base because it'd be easier and cleaner. I should turn the water off outside and remove these, and then put these sconce things, whatever they are, inside the cabinet. I don't know that I'm gonna do that yet. We'll see how easy it is to turn the water off outside. I'm trying to get this done quick so I can get back to work in Hawaii. Okay, because this is a weird installation, I'm leaving the wainscoting and all the trim they've done. I've transposed these measurements for these holes. Now I'm gonna get a hole saw that will fit over these items, over all the plumbing and everything. And I'm just gonna drill some holes in the back of the cabinet, big enough to slide the cabinet back against the wall. Okay, so here's the way this fit. I had to make a little notch out for this valve rather than go and turn the water off outside, like I said, at the main. And that is the fit. I am going to mount this to the wall. I'm gonna have to do some pieces back here to support it, some spacers, because I don't think I want to cut that base. I'm gonna think about that. Maybe I'll cut the base. Okay, I changed my mind. I cut the base there to get it flat against the wall. That way I didn't have to use spacers. Now I'm just gonna set a few screws in where the studs are. I'll have to find the studs. That will hold the cabinet against the wall. Then I can put in the countertop and reattach all the plumbing. Super easy. All right, now that the cabinet's in place, you use some kind of sealant. This is Quick Seal Plus, premium adhesive sealant. I'll put a link down in the description. You just place it around, mostly just on the 4 corners. I'm gonna do it around the back as well. And then you set the countertop on and level it, make sure everything's square that way. And that's it. The weight of that, and with the plumbing, that's all that holds it together. This countertop, you don't put screws in it. Some of them you do. This one, you definitely don't. That's all I'm doing is right there. This stuff's gonna kind of ooze out that side and a little inside. This is fine if it goes out the back and a little inside the cabinet. I don't want a lot here because I don't want it to goo over here. And this side is the main door side. Not that anyone's ever gonna look up in there, but that's how I do it. All right, there it is, all installed. Did have, I used the old plumbing fixture stuff. I had to buy this extension, little accordion type extension, 1.25 inches for the drain, just because this is a little taller than the other one that was in it. But there you go. I could scrub the paint off the tile that I got on there, but oh well. Thanks for watching.